Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. So obviously, as you can guess, that I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I did the eye look that you just seen. I kind of forgot that I was going to be filming this video and just jumped straight into my eye makeup, but you know, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on it, so I need to not rush ahead. But I've got my Morphe 39S palette here, and that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to start with this bright purple shade here, and I'm going to, as you can see, I've already done it because I got a bit carried away. I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid, just like I've already done. This is just like my sort of base colour, and I'm going to use my cotton pad and I'm just going to wipe my brush off on it. And I'm going to go in and blend out the edges of that just so it looks a bit more seamlessly blended. And then the colour disperses a little bit as well, so it looks a bit more blended. So that's kind of how I want it to look. And then I'm going to take this quite dark purple shade here. I'm going to pack that on the outer corner. Just like packing it there. And I'm going to blend it upwards into my eye space. And then I'm going to blend that out. So I've now got all the purple on my eye. As you can see, it does look a tiny bit messy down here at the minute, but that's fine because we're going to clean it up with foundation and concealer. So I'm now going to cut my crease. Purples are really hard to work with, so you just kind of have to keep blending and blending and blending and blending really. But I'm going to take concealer and cut my crease. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go in with my Revolution Foil Frenzy palette and this white shade here, and I'm gonna pop that all into my crease. Oh, I lied. First, I'm gonna take the darker purple that I used and blend it into my concealer at the ends, just so the cut crease looks a little bit more blended into the rest of my eyeshadow, if that makes sense. Just quickly. And it's more difficult to see where the concealer ends, so it looks a bit neater. And now I'm going to do what I said I was going to do before with the Foil Frenzy palette. This is such a bright white colour, as you can literally see. This is why I love using this colour on my eyes. So this is the overall completed look. I just went away and what I did with my concealer was, as you can see, there's like a line. I just used my beauty blender to just create the same line on both sides, just to clean up the rest of the eyeshadow. And then obviously I stuck my lashes on and ran the purple along the bottom of my lash line as well. Did my base makeup and my lipstick as well. And I'm really happy with how the look turned out. It's very purple and it's very, very pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration for some eyeshadow that you want to create. Leave any ideas for videos in the comments. I'll have a look over those and try to get some of those filmed. And please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video soon.